As an SMB partner, you've often found yourself walking away from large enterprise deals. Yes, we know the contract requirements can be onerous, necessitating you to do the installation and startup of the solution yourself. But now, there is no more reason to watch lucrative enterprise deals pass you by. HPE and Tarsus will partner with you so that you can complete the full solution offering to your end customers. The HPE installation and startup delivery service is aimed at our SMB partners, enabling them to tick the box for this requirement on tender contracts without requesting a third-party company to do the installation. Tarsus can now handle the installation and startup on behalf of our SMB partners. Because we are certified, we would like to offer this benefit to partners, allowing them to take up enterprise deals as they now have the full solution available to their end user customers. We offer several benefits to our partners, such as a one-stop shop for all your HPE requirements. We will work with you from beginning to design and supply the best solution based on your client's requirements. Installations are HPE guaranteed, ensuring peace of mind for you and your clients. With Tarsus behind you all the way, you can now take on jobs you would usually shy away from. You can now grow your business, knowing you have the support of a trusted partner behind you.